What is up, guys? This is Rito here, and today me and Codman, we are going to test out Fast Blizzard and Fast Lightning Strike. A whole bunch of people said it's not worth it. Is it worth it? We're not sure, but technically I'm not sure because there's no difference. It just looks the same. Now I got Fast Blizzard on this helmet. It came with it by itself. So technically we're gonna try it out. Oh, and if you have Fast Blizzard on, you're gonna have to basically get it random. You're gonna have to level up and get it. They don't give it to you just like that. Who is Jonathan? Alright, so do you have Fast Blizzard? Call man, do you have Fast Blizzard?
No.
Alright. Alright, what do you think about normal Blizzard, normal and fast? Doesn't look the same. What do you think? Yeah, it kind of I mean, it goes faster, but it still looks the same.
Yeah.
All right. So now, all right, kill me. I'm gonna bring out my whatchamacallit, my Fast Lightning Strike. Kill me. I need you to kill me. Call man, kill me. Kill me. Hit me. Kill me. I need to take out my Fast Lightning Strike. You don't got anything for you. Behind you! Behind you! Dude, that was creepy as hell. Like, oh my god, you killed me. Next thing you know, this big giant dude with a smiley face comes out. Alright, so now we're going to test out Fast Lightning Strike. Alright, so technically, we're going to have to basically do this at the same time because I need to see the difference of this. Alright. Alright, alright, we're going to have to do a countdown. You ready? Alright. 3, 2, 1. Huh? Oh, I did mine a bit too late. Let's try it again.
Yeah, you did it like far away. I did mine.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. I don't know if I'm doing mines. I don't even know. It doesn't look the same. Yeah. Let's try that one more time. This is not actually worth it. It doesn't feel like it. Alright, go. Same time. Oh, it's only like 2 seconds. Alright, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. These are rare buffs, and it doesn't feel like it's even worth it. Codman, what do you think?
I wouldn't get it.
Yeah, they gave me Fast Lightning Strike. Fast Blizzard and Fast Lightning Strike. They're two rare buffs in the game, but it's not really actually worth using because, like, well, I'm not sure about Lightning Strike because it's just like 1 second away. And Fast Blizzard, you're gonna have to find that from leveling up, which is really a pain. Alright, guys.